life a story. I'm trying to find the glory. Got them all sleeping on me, my haters out here dying, snoring. Why they mad that I'm finally growing, and they see me fighting for it? What they wanna get involved for, I kill them all off until I'm enormous. Cause 9 to 5 is boring, grinding 5 in the morning. I'd rather make music, get paid for it, die with a fortune. And my ride is foreign, every whip I drive imported. Anybody know me, they know. For this game, no, I'm dying for it. I'm on now, give me that crown, yeah. Ain't nobody out here really wanting with me. I'm going hard while you falling asleep. I got it all cause I deserve it all, Just being honest, they don't wanna see me honest. I'm taking over this game now and that's a promise. Stay out of pocket, they don't wanna believe I got it. Give me that crown now cause I'm the king, call me your highness. This life a movie, I'm a motherfucking star like Clooney. From dusk till dawn, I'm a loose sleep. I ain't tryna live broke like you be. I've been coming for the bag, I do me. Will I get paid? Absolutely. Cause you better knew a boss like Takeoff. I ain't left all bad and bougie. Heard them talk, they barely knew me. I ain't let no stranger fool me. When I came in the game, y'all showing that fake love. I ain't look past your jewelry. Now this ride is foreign, every whip I drive imported. Anybody know me, they know. For this game, no, I'm dying for it. I'm on now, give me that crown, yeah. Ain't nobody out here really wanting with me. I'm going hard while you falling asleep. I got it all cause I deserve it all, Just being honest, they don't wanna see me honest. I'm taking over this game now and that's a promise. Stay out of pocket, they don't wanna believe I got it. Give me that crown now cause I'm the king, call me your highness.
What is going on? Holy smokes, Batman. I'm wearing the Batman. I am the Batman. What's going on, guys? What's with this move? Are we really going this high? Are you guys kind of in shock? I'm not. This is crazy. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter King. It's Saturday. What kind of tea do you drink? Let me know in the chat. Speaking about the chat, let's go into the chat. What's going on, my friends? What's going on, my friends? A little pump up to, 39,800. Just a little pump. What's going on? Dave Digital here first, claiming the first position. That's pretty cool, man. Thank you for being here, Mr. Dave Digital, the man, the myth with the wrench. Love you, bro. TRD Farmer coming through. What's going on, my man? What's going on? Hope you're doing well. Surviving this beautiful Canadian day out in the tundra. Lunar Beaches Crypto having steak for lunch. Yeah, boy. Get that steak. Coffee is my favorite tea. I've had 3 coffees today, so I thought I'd cool it off with some tea. What's going on, French Toaster? Good to see you, brother. Hope you're having a wonderful day. The brave little toaster, man. Good to see you, brother. Thank you for coming through. How you guys all doing this beautiful? Killing it today? Up, dog. Killing it today? I hope you guys are killing it. I mean, I just got back from a walk with Mrs. Otter. We went to our Saturday date. We have like a Saturday date where we go for a walk, we drink some Timmies, we talk about life. Trackpad died on my new laptop. Effing, you're losing your mind. Yeah, that's annoying. I know you've been through enough, Farmer, with the house and all that stuff. So I mean, hopefully it gets all sorted, man. Hopefully it gets all sorted. Don't want any more headaches than we already have with life. However, we do have the tools to deal with them here. Mindset, baby. Let's go. So, what can we see? I mean, you guys all thought we were cooling off, because I know I did, right? I thought we were going to go sideways and down this weekend. Maybe a little fake up to the upside. Not this. Holy shit. We got some bullish news. On Thursday, we will be going over to our friends over at Sin City Crypto. We have some friends, we've made friends in the industry. Thank you, Billy. Billy has come through. So this Thursday, I'll post it in the chat, in the Discord, but this Thursday we'll be going on Sin City Crypto. It's always an honor and a privilege to try and give back to another community who has helped me on my journey, and they are actually one of the first people who have ever asked me to come onto their channel, and Billy has set it up both times. So Billy said Merry Christmas, and you know what? Giver's game, baby. So it's I get to go practice my Ola. I'm not very good at the Ola. Maybe I got to work on my my Olas, but I think the kindness wave is coming through. We were on Billy Goat Tales the other week, and we just got to talk about the community and stuff like that, and how grateful I am for you guys. You see a pump, we make a video. We get on here, and we hopefully can bring you guys some clarity on what the actual F is going on with these markets. Is there a channel here? Let's see. A little bit. So we've fallen back into this channel naturally. We'll see. Don't fight the trend. That's what we were saying earlier. We're coming back up now. Yeesh. It looks like it's just come back and recovered halfway down the vector candle and coming back up, but we'll have to wait and see. So, yeah, some things coming down the pipeline. I mean, we constantly are making the videos. So for this week, I think we got Polkadot coming out tonight, guys. I'm going to do ApeCoin, ICP, TRX, Uni, Jasmy, and XLM. That's kind of my lineup for pullbacks on these coins. So I'll be doing all of these this weekend probably. Is there any specific order that you would like to see these done in? I know Jasmy is a fan favorite. ICP. Someone asked me to do ICP, so I'm going to prioritize that. Stellar. Anybody? It's funny. I go and I marinate the steaks with pepper. We might as well just call it the Kleenex gang here. My God. So we're going to be doing some altcoin pullbacks. We're getting a pump here yet again. So massive move. Breaking out of this naked point of control, hopefully flipping it to support. We can see this channel's coming up here. So let's see what else we can find here. We're at 39,404. It just keeps climbing. I would not be shorting this right now. So let's get rid of this channel. It's kind of skewing my vision here on what we can look forward to with this price. Now, first of all, let's go over to our friend, the 4-hour. Okay, let's go over here first. We had these levels marked out above us here, so we have this level, which you could have been waiting for this, right? This is very unexpected. This is Saturday price action, okay? And 40,400, okay? These are kind of my two levels above us, and then we have another NPOC all the way up here, which doesn't even seem... Can you believe that 41,000 doesn't seem far now? Isn't that crazy? Isn't that wild just to think? $41,000 Bitcoin is not far away. We have hit 39,000. We are at 39,400, baby. Isn't it great to be in this space? Like, it's so awesome, right? It's so awesome. It's so awesome. So we have some levels above us that we would like to see hold as resistance. Because let's face it, we all want to get that. We all want to get that pullback so we can buy more, right? We all want that pullback so we can buy more. However, there's no bearish signs to be seen right now. We also have this trend line down below here. Boop. So we have this trend line down below here too. Now we got to extend this baby. Let's extend this baby all the way up here. So we have the momentum trend line. This would be momentum trend line where we're looking to continue this upwards. If this breaks on like a 15-minute, then we look to come back down to this actual trend line. And then we have like the range trend line. Jesus. That's like this, right? That's that range trend line. We can make that maybe we'll make it red and thicker, right? So we got the range trend line. We can get rid of the local lines here and the upside lines right now. So we got this short-term trend line, this medium-term trend line, and this long-term trend line, okay? To the upside, right? Everything is to the upside, right? So we don't fight the trend. We want to trade with the trend naturally. The more you can trade with the trend, the more profitable I think you can be. Unless you're intraday like me, like for me, I try to stick with the trend. However, I can short. But I'm much more quicker to pay myself, jump in and out of the trades as they present themselves. And when I'm going against the trend, okay? It's if you're new, I would suggest trading with the trend. Waiting for those pullbacks, jump into a long. Now, what are we looking for trend reversal? Well, bearish divergence clearly aren't working. I would like to see on higher term timeframes, maybe a swing failure pattern, and then I would like to see some structure on higher term timeframes where I'm seeing lower highs and lower lows, right? I want to see something like that, right? And right now it's not happening, right? It's not happening. Even on the 4-hour here, the structure is very apparent, right? Where it's just making higher highs, right? However you want to draw it. We can extend that up there. So we're looking for the pullback to here, to here, or to here. And we would like to see the trend broken, retest, continuation downwards, right? We would like to see that. So there's ideas floating around. However, whether we get these or not, it's not our choice, really. We're traders here trying to accumulate, trying to grab at lower prices. Of course, there's FOMO and amongst us. You know, I still got like 60% dry powder lying on the sidelines, right? I did buy down at 25 and 22 and 20. However, you know, you wish you spent the bag back then, right? You wish you have all these ideas, right? The greatest idea is that we're involved in a space where we can look for pullbacks. There's typically a 40% correction. Will we get it? Who knows? And I mean, 40% from here is actually quite low, right? Right? It's quite low. Like my hold zones down below are definitely we go local here. We got 31,800, 32,800, and then we have that key level here around 34,300. I'd say this is like the key buy zone in my opinion. Short 40,900. Ooh. So we do have another level. Where are you getting that 40,900 Lunar Beaches crypto? Much love to you, my man. Much love to you. Somewhere from the previous ranges over here. Let's see, 40,900. Let's mark it out. 40,900. Oop. Okay. Horizontal. We'll make it blue because Lunar Beaches crypto is a wave rider. Okay, there's LBC. Okay, I can see multiple levels of... Yeah, I can see... Look at all these support and resistance areas, okay? You pull this, you look, bing, 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 bing. Take profit, they said. Still have FOMO. B-Dream Crypto, what's going on, man? So yeah, I could see this being significant. 40,900. Look at all the times it acted as resistance and support. Very strong level. I like that, Mr. Lunar Beaches Crypto. He said it's just a measure moved. Is that to the breakout here of the flag? Is that a flag breakout? I would assume it's a flag breakout. We go into the 1 hour. Let's pull this, right? This would be your measure move. We put that there. Okay. I'm wrong. Maybe it's here. So let's pull that back. Let's see how he measured this. That's this whole move. Okay. I see it. From here, from this top to this bottom, right? I'd have to be on a higher term time frame, I think. From here down? Yeah. That's the same distance. That's the same distance. Maybe. We'll see. Just call me maybe. What's going on, B-Team Crypto? Hope you're having a great weekend, man. We're just having a little chill stream, analyzing this friggin' pump. It doesn't stop, man. It doesn't stop. I mean, content for days, baby. Let's go. Massive move up, 39,400 we're at right now. So a couple of trend lines we're looking at. Let's get rid of these price labels because we don't need price labels. We just need some ideas here. So we don't need this rectangle. Oh, maybe we do. We'll leave the rectangles on. We'll put that in the local here. Keep ourselves organized so that we're all paying attention here. So what is Market Cypher saying? Good afternoon, Huck. Hope you're doing well, man. What is Market Cypher saying? What can we see here? Let's jump into the nitty gritty first, just so that we have an idea of like, is there a trade plan right here? Get the VWAP off. We can see here. I mean, how are you guys supposed to trade this? Unless you're scalping this little range right here, don't be too frustrated with missing this move. Okay, they do this on purpose. However, we can see there is a nice fair value gap down here on the 30 minutes, sorry. Look at that. Pops up quite nicely. So you can see there is areas to recover. There's some areas to recover down below, all the way down, right? Lots of fair value gaps on the way up here on the 30-minute, right? So we would like to see downwards action. However, Bitcoin just doesn't care right now. It just seems to be flying. And our key level of support here, 36,000. So interesting to see. However, right now the trend is parabolic. You could draw even a trend line here from this low to here now. So you could start breaking this down even more. Oh, that's too thin. You got to have some girth on it. Good afternoon, Huck. Hope you're doing well, man. Hope you're doing well. What is this on? Is that 2 picks? Yeah. Okay, that's the same. What's this on? 2 picks. Yeah, that's the same. Why does it look different? That's not parabolic green. That's why. There we go. So you got another trend line. So you got these 3 trend lines. Okay, draw these 3 trend lines for yourself, where you can see price reacting, right? And with these 3 trend lines, your first one, you want to see it come out, you want to see it retest, and you want to see it fall down, right? With this one too, same thing. You want to see it fall down, and you want to see confirmations below these areas, and then the retest, right? The retest is what you're looking to trade. So if you were to fall through this, you want to see it pop back up, retest it, and then head down, right? It's weekend. It's the weekend volume. You're probably looking at something very similar to what we just went through. Is this, right? Something like this. And then a big move, right? Big move. If you simply go into the 15-minute, you pull up your volume. I mean, you really didn't have much of a chance to grab this. You can see that you are making higher lows here. So you're making just barely. This is a higher low than this. And this is a higher low than this. So you can see that there is upward structure here for this move. You get your trigger wave here on the 15. Yeah, this was hard to catch, guys. This was hard to catch. Beautiful flag up, but definitely hard to catch this, especially when we're making all-time highs for this year. And now Now we have a new all-time high, right? Oh, up here. So awesome to see if you're a big believer. However, if you want DCA, this is bad news in some sort of opinion of mine, not financial advice. So we can see we definitely got that move up. Okay. What is the chart prime? We got a strong buy here and a strong buy here and a strong buy here. So that's pretty cool that the Oracle was saying, you know, the Oracle. I like calling it the Oracle. I feel like Neo, you know, the Oracle. The Oracle says human beings are a disease. Anyways, we won't get all matrixy on you guys. So nice, beautiful support band coming through here. Failure to break through. Yeah, nice move, man. Nice move. Nice move. Nice move. So awesome sideways action now. Let's go into the nitty gritty. Oh man, we're in the 5 minutes here. Can we trade this? Yeah, we could. We could. So typically after big moves like this, we see the recovery back. So we get the move, we get the recovery back, and then the flag out, and depending what the flag wants to do, and then a continuation upwards, right? It's risky territory. Or we can see some sort of bearish divergence here. Higher high. Something like that. Right now it's risky. Looking for that friend zone, eh? Is there massive liquidation in shorts? Let's check it out. I got it saved over here for liquidations. Where is it? Bitcoin liquidations. B Team Crypto, you're right, man. You're right. Look at this. Short. 4 hours. Shorts wrecked 62 million. Woohoo. 24 hours. 91 million. Yikes, guys. Yikes. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. What's going on? Good to see you, bro. Thank you so much for being here. The man, the myth, the legend, Jonathan Schaefer. Pull the fib on the 1 hour candle from the wick high to the low. Yes, sir. How you doing, man? I hope you're having a good weekend. We're all talking about steaks and shit. We're all talking about, yahoo! I'm gonna win. Hey, don't forget, my no-no's name is Luigi, eh? Augusto Luigi, okay? Augusto Luigi. That's the way. Who do you think they're coming for next? They're coming up for you. Pull the fib on the 1 hour candle from the wick high to the wick low. Are you saying continuation? Like this? Wick low to wick high? Or are you going from here? Which one are you going? 1 is down here, 2 is down here, Schaefer. Or are you pulling from wick high to wick low this way? Are you going for a retracement? I'm not sure what he wants me to do, guys. He's giving me instructions. And I've never been good at following instructions. Look, we're going to pull the LBC. This is the LBC trend line, okay, guys? Men low to high. You give me price numbers, and then we'll go from there, man. It's like reading. I think it's delayed. The chat's delayed. It's like reading hieroglyphics, trying to translate it to the charts, and I want to keep my mouth moving so that you guys aren't bored. Even though it's I'm not gonna say it's a crock of shit, but it's me taking what's going on in here and spewing it into this beautiful microphone, into this camera here, in order to help you guys try and be profitable. And, you know, it's not easy. That's why we got tea instead of coffee right now. Pops it in the Discord. I like that. I like the pops it in the Discord. Hello, otters. What's going on, Melissa? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Wonderful day. Good to see you. We got a pop-up. Schaefer's pop sting. Schaefer makes fun of my spelling all the time, so I can... You should have seen my thumbnail the other day. Oh, man. Spelling well, not good. Okay? And I do it on purpose sometimes just to get Lunar Beach's crypto because he likes good spelling punctuation and shit. So why not go the opposite way? Okay, swing low, swing high. Yeah, I see you. I see you. Bounce off the 786. Perfect bounce there. I like that. I like that. You're killing it, bro. You're killing it. Did you add to your long? Have you paid yourself, Jonathan Schaefer? I know you're in a long. I know you're in a long, bro. I know you're in a long. I'm watching you. You're on the, this is a 5-minute chart. Don't tell me 1 hour chart. You're on 5 minutes. You're here, man. I can see you, bro. 786 bounce. Maybe at the beginning of the move. Yeah, boy. Yes and yes. He's paid himself and he's added to his. What a legend. I love you, Schaefer. Good job, bro. I love seeing you guys win, man. Are you considering selling any of your BTC/ETH spot bags anytime soon and look for re-entry on pullback? Well, Trap Money Benny, my average BTC price is around $22,000. So for me, I am holding. Diamond hands, baby. Because I don't believe we're coming down to I think the lowest we can possibly go is 28,000, and I still think that's like a hopium. Let's look at the 2-week chart here. We're at the 2-week chart. Now I posted this 2024 kind of outline for you guys in the Discord of all them. I'm sure there's some more significant events between January and when we're expecting rate cuts. So if any of you guys want me to add some stuff to this, feel free to let me know. But I think this is very, very significant in a sense. But if we zoom out and we take a look here, we got this huge area that took us forever to break out of, right? 28,000 somewhere down here, right? I've seen the fractal pattern from 2016 by Lunar Beach's crypto. Okay, he shared that with us the other day or today. I believe it was today. Yeah, here it is. So I like that. Lunar Beach's crypto. Go check them out. Great analysis. What we're waiting for is this thing right here, that little pullback, baby, that COVID pullback, and that's a black swan event, right? So we might not even get that. So we need to be very cautious here. One love in the house. That's right, Melissa. What's going on? So where can we see the key levels of resistance? Well, we can mark out simple tops, right? We can mark out simple tops of where we think we're gonna get pullbacks. However, this is all that's really above us, right? So if we pull from, let's say, here to here, and we take a look at what volume there is, there's a couple of spikes of volume above us, right? We got this key level, like I just marked this out by eye, but we have this key level here around 46,000. That's a possible stop. And then between here, where we are right now, and that area up here, there's one little smidgen of volume here. That's your 43,000, right? And then you're up here and here, right? So if you're looking at this objectively, we are literally on the cusp of breaking up to the value area high at 46,000, right? You're literally on the cusp of that. If you look at this volume, you bring this volume across, right? You're literally tapping on this. So can we get a little bit of a retracement and a retap here? Of course we can. But what's right around the corner? Guys? You guys know. I don't have to tell you. The ETF. So here's your ETF, and here's where you are right now. What happened when we got the ETF before? What happened? Do you think it's buy the rumor, sell the news? Do you think that's what's going to happen? Or do you think it's buy the rumor, buy the news? Do you think that's going to happen, guys? What do you guys? Put a 1 for buy the rumor, sell the news? Put a 2 for buy the rumor, buy the news. Because for me, I'm thinking two. Institutional money, man. Right? We have one in Canada, but who the heck has money in Canada? We got a housing crisis and a recession in Canada, okay? So Melissa says, dump it. Let's go. Melissa, if they dump it, we're buying all 21 million. We're buying all 21 million. The Otter Gang's going to come in with the bags, okay? The Otter Gang's going to come in with the bags. Okay? So just objectively, we shared this. Then we got, depending on what happens after the ETF, do we hang around here? Of course we could, right? And slowly creep our way. And then they cut rates and maybe we get a little bit of a dump, right? Maybe we get a little bit of a dump because naturally when they cut rates, the markets dump a little bit. That's just history, right? That's just history. And that's not far away, guys. From January to, let's say, March, right? And we know January is typically a bullish month. February is pretty good, right? And then we get the halving. And what happens at the halving? Well, if we go back in time, and we know that the halving is, what was it? August 20th, I want to say. BTC halving 2020. May 11th, sorry. May 11th. So we had the dip down. March, April, May 18th, May 11th. There we are. That's where our halving was before, right? So if we are going to be cyclical, and we go back to our old halving, this did not stop, okay? You want to draw a trend line, you can see there's no lower lows being made, really, right? And then you're gone, right? So dips are very rare. We're aware of these things, okay? Very good to see, though. Nice little pump today, guys. We'll create a group for those. We'll call that volume. Make sure to always keep your charts tidy and neat. It's the way to go, okay? So we'll have to wait and find out and see what's coming our way. Not cutting rates until 2025. Really, you don't believe that they're going to cut rates until 2025. Probability says otherwise. Probability says we're cutting in May. March even. March here. So we go to probabilities. 525, right? 5475. So we do have the probabilities here that we do watch. Obviously they're not perfect. But you don't think till 2025. That's pretty bearish, but could be bullish for risk on assets, right? I think there's going to be a lot of pain with all this hiking coming our way within the new year. People are going to spend too much during Christmas, and they're going to realize, oopsie, probabilities say otherwise. So we'll have to definitely watch that for sure. That would be interesting if they don't cut. Higher for longer, right? Higher for longer. That would be interesting. Higher for longer. We'll have to wait and find out. Until then, up or down? Where we go, where we'll stop, nobody knows. But we can prepare for it as traders. Right now, the trend is your friend. Clearly. Flat up, right? Little pullbacks. Like this isn't even a pullback, really. I don't even believe this got to the golden pocket here. This little pullback we got here. Just to the 0.5, right? That's so bullish, right? 382.5 pullbacks, that's bullish as ever, right? So we're watching that very closely. Now, this to me, let's see if we can get a fib extension on this. Maybe the fib extension works here. Let's pull it straight across. Okay, no, it doesn't work there. Just wanted to make sure that wasn't good. So what do we got? This this weekend? Well, we got a pump so far. But what can we be looking for? So let's go through Market Cipher on the daily and just take a quick look. We have multiple trend lines that we've added to our charts here, just trying to see when they break so that we can possibly look for a retest in a short. But right now, money flow is parabolic. On the daily, it's curved up and back up. We're making significant highs yet again, new all-time highs for Bitcoin. So this is nice to see. When will we cool down? Nobody knows, but we can see we're definitely getting bearish divergence, right? We're getting higher highs, lower lows, but money flow continues to the upside. So this is what we're saying that is contrary to what we're looking at. Don't fight the trend. Michael Saylor's buying 600 million worth of Bitcoin. It's not stopping, right? The bullishness of the market. What do we have for a weekly candle coming our way for tomorrow? Because I probably won't stream tomorrow, but look at this weekly candle. We had push, massive push, kind of a push, big push back to get this level. Now we're getting a big push back. Look at this level, right? So for me, we got a hammer candle. We got an indecisive candle. Now we've gotten a push, okay? So for me, this is saying we've come up and we've created a new level of support that we're trying to hold right now. Depending on how this weekly candle holds out, this to me looks very bullish, right? Mixed messages in here, mixed messages in here. Me, these pullbacks are just people with big money trying to buy up, right? Trying to buy up and get on this. We know that Saylor bought down here around, what was it, 30,000? Somewhere around here, right? So push, massive bullish candle coming our way yet again, okay? So now we've pushed up into these key upside areas, right? So we had the upside ideas of where we were looking for a price to push up. It came to the naked point of control, got rejected. Now it's pushed up into this area that we look to trade now. So our new area looking to trade now is within these areas. So we still have a lot of room to the upside, right? There's a lot of room to the upside. Of course, there's fair value gaps, all the good stuff down here, liquidity, blah, 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 but it's not going there. So don't fight it, right? Don't fight it. Go with the trend until it gives you a clear set of structure on higher term timeframes where it's saying, hey, we're making lower lows, right? So we're definitely watching that, okay? And then we go over to the 2-day and the 3-day. That was giving us a confirmation of this push on the green dot, money flow coming up, VWAP crossing over. Very, very bullish sign. That was on Friday. So now we can see we've pushed up. We're getting to where money is just so strong, right? Where it just keeps pushing and pushing and pushing. It really has no end in sight, right? So we're watching these trend lines. This is our main one, the red one here. Then we have the trend line to the upside here. We're watching and we're waiting to see if these break so we can see retests of key levels and possibly a change in trend direction. But it's not happening so far. So we go with the trend. That's kind of the idea right now. It's the weekend, so we're going to expect sideways volume like we just got. We got that push up, and then Friday, Saturday, and then boom, all of a sudden now, retest 0.5, come back up. What do we expect, right? It's kind of climbing the wall here, right? It's climbing a wall. Can we see the correction? Of course we can. Of course we can. But I would, if we're shorting the market, we want to be sure to pay ourselves early and be prepared for downside, okay? Be prepared for downside. Over on the 12-hour, we could see we are having money flow coming straight down. Momentum coming straight down. Momentum has changed now. We can see momentum has changed. How has momentum changed? Well, we can see that we're making higher highs on the momentum waves this way now. We don't see money flow kind of changing direction. Like we don't have a clear direction change where we can see money climbing up. But this looks like it's bottoming out and looking to come higher, right? Come higher. So we can see that we have had this steady decline here, but momentum has changed this way. So we're looking for money flow to kind of bottom out and start making this kind of nice, beautiful curvature to the upside. Otherwise, we look for the continuation of the money flow, higher high divergence with price action sending us down. But we need to be patient on all of these things, okay? Sorry I'm late. I'm too busy shorting this Ponzi. Already paid. Just chilling. What's going on, DDT, man? Happy weekend, bro. What a wild Saturday, man. I normally wouldn't be streaming, but, we got to come on when shit like this happens, man. Hope you're doing well, DDT. Much love to you. No swim tomorrow, says Lunar Beaches. Crypto, possibly late night skinny dip going to the Titans game. Oh, man, this guy. He's skinny dipping. Watch out. Watch out. He's probably wearing roller skates at least, you know. What's going on? You're shorting this Ponzi. We're at 39,400, man. This thing ain't slowing down, baby. It's going to the moon. It's going to the moon. Going over to the 4 hour, what can we see here? We can see that we're simply putting those higher highs with the sideways boringness pop off, right? Coming up, waking up, hitting key levels of resistance, trying to put in some structure up top here, okay? We'll see if it can. However, we would like to see the short come down at least back to retest these highs here, right? Around 30, let's say 38,000, right? 38,000 sounds good. Sounds good to me, man. Sounds good to me, man. So very much popped off, overbought, could cool off, okay? Could cool off. We got to be patient. All good. Hope you guys are good. Hope you're well too, Darren. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So 4 hour, pushed up. 3 hour, probably pushed up as well. Yep. Green dot continuation. 1 hour, same thing. Money flow flying to the upside. Same thing here. So we got a little bit of a push. That's pretty much it, right? We got a little bit of a push, which is making new highs, which is great. We're putting a new structure up top here. We have this NPOC that we could come back down and retest, okay? However, sideways volume, right? Sideways volume. Let's go into the volume spike. My nose is itchy. Okay. Going to the 15 here. We got the volume spike. Look how low the volume is, right? Look how low the volume is down here. So we can see push up, volume cooling down yet again. We got a little bit of movement here. So we could look for something like this where we get a swing failure pattern up top here, right? This cools down. We get a little bit out of this, right? A little bit of this continuation to the downside. We could see something like that. Okay. Long from 33,600 majorly in profit. So hedge shorts against what's left in it. Beauty DDT. Killing it, man. Killing it. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. 33.6, baby. That's awesome. So right now, some volume has come into the market. So there is a little bit of an opportunity here to possibly catch some structure as it forms up top here, right? So you can see we've had the retrace down, the push up, the retrace down, the flagging out. We could get a little bit of a push up. Could be a short opportunity up here at 39,670, right? Or there could be an opportunity for a long if it retests this 39,000 area. Okay, so we got two areas, 39,000 psychological. Wait for your confirmations and note to self that we definitely have weekend volume. This is an anomaly, right? This is an anomaly where we look, hey, you got to push. Don't stop, right? But be prepared, okay? Rejecting off the Dixie here, push down, possible continuation for the Dixie to the downside, right? The dollar index has had this steep decline. We are saying it's coming up to a key level of resistance. We are saying this on the live stream on Friday, that we're looking for a big rejection off of this trend line. And look at that, man. Perfect rejection, okay? Simple trend line, straight down, came up, tapped it, and got rejected hard, okay? And we simply said it in the Discord. Join us in the free Discord that if we do get a rejection, Bitcoin will go up, okay? And look at the big rejection we got. So shows you how easy it is sometimes, right? With just that simple confluence with trading, okay? Patience is the name of the game. I just wanted to come out today and get you guys some updated information on this one. I'm thinking what I'm looking at. For me, I'm probably not going to trade this. Just going to be patient right now. Yeah, it's not. I don't like trading on weekends. Weekends is for family and friends and kindness. I'm in the Discord, all that good stuff. Join us. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're at 540 subscribers, man. Amazing. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. We're on Sin City Crypto on Thursday. Can't wait to see you guys come out and support. That's at 2:00. So we will see you there. Thank you guys so much for your kind words, for being here, all those good things. Practice good risk management. Be kind to yourself. Touch some grass. All those good things. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys Monday, but I'll also see you in some videos this weekend. Peace out. Much love, and I'll catch you later. Bye.
Yeah. Justin Diamond. My life a story. I'm trying to find the glory. Got them all sleeping on me. My haters out here dying, snoring. Why they mad that I'm finally growing? And they see me fighting for it. What they wanna get involved for? I kill them all off until I'm enormous. Cause 9 to 5 is boring. Grinding 5 in the morning. I'd rather make music, get paid for it, die with a fortune. And my ride is foreign. Every whip I drive imported. Anybody know me, they know. For this game, no, I'm dying for it. I'm on now. Give me that crown, yeah. Ain't nobody out here really wanting with me. I'm going hard while you falling asleep. I got it all cause I deserve it all, yeah. Just being honest, they don't wanna see me honest. I'm taking over this game now and that's a promise. They out of pocket, they don't wanna believe I got it. Give me that crown now cause I'm the king, call me your highness. This life a movie, I'm a motherfucking star like Clooney. From dusk till dawn, I'm a loose sleep. I ain't tryna live broke like you be. I've been coming for the bag, I do me. Will I get paid? Absolutely. Cause you better knew a boss like Takeoff. I ain't left all bad and bougie. Heard them talk, they barely knew me. I ain't let no stranger fool me. When I came in the game, y'all showing that fake love. I ain't look past your jewelry. Now this ride is foreign. Every whip I drive imported. Anybody know me, they know. For this game, no, I'm dying for it. I'm on now. Give me that crown, yeah. Ain't nobody out here really wanting with me. I'm going hard while you falling asleep. I got it all cause I deserve it all, yeah. Just